Okay, the next bit about primary ICT assessment is we are going to use the targets. Now the targets are at the end of how am I doing. If I just move my window down, you can actually see at the bottom all the tabs are here. So we can still use the buttons if the macros aren't working. You'll understand that if you get a pop-up on your screen. But we can use these at the bottom as well. And we're going to use those in a moment. I'm going to put my screen back again. So, depending on what you've been talking about today, so it could be the basics, there could be something in the basics that I would like you to do, or your friend that you're working with has said, I'm not sure you can do this, why not try and do it a little bit later? And this could be your target. So if you are Austin, or you're in Austin's year group, so if you're in year 3, for example, I can cut, copy words or pictures and paste them. And that could be a very simple target for you to achieve, or it could be quite a tricky target. Let's say that is our target. I can cut and copy words or pictures and paste them. So we're going to so if I go back to my how am I doing, over here there's the print targets, and your targets are also down here in the tabs as well. Okay, so I'm just going to bring my window down. So there's the printable targets, there's the whole report that we just clicked on, and then further along is set targets. Let me bring my window back up. And we said that that target could be very easy and a short-term target. So I could probably do that either next week or between now and next week. So let's go and do that. So when I click in here, I've got the basics. And all those words and phrases match. So basics, cut, copy words or pictures and paste them. Let's put that as the first one. Now you might think, or you might be talking today with your friend, and you might say, I'm not sure I can do this, or I'm not sure I can do that. No, so if you've been using pictures, making pictures, and you are year 3, maybe this is a target that you're not sure about and think it might take you a bit longer, then that's okay. So you need to get the teacher or get me to check that this is going to work and this is suitable for your target. So I'm going to bring my window down, and you can see as you put the words in, it puts the words into your targets. I'm going to choose one more. So I might just choose another basics, because that's what we might be talking about today. So I might stick and stay with cut and copy, because these two match. But this one might take a little bit longer because you're going from one program to another. Your teacher will tell you how long the time it will take for you to do this. I would say by the end of term would be quite common. Bring my window down, make sure it's all here, and I've got a tick to say when I can complete it. So your teacher will say when you can complete it. I'm going to move my window up. I'm going to go back, and then just in the top left hand corner I've got save, and I'm going to save it. And that's it for targets.